In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix we are unable to handle a request on a Rockstar Games and how we can fix it. So if you're having any issue with the Rockstar game, this is what we have to do. So the first one, what you need to do is we have to go over here. We need to search here for Rockstar launcher like this, and we have to right click and from here go to open file location. Now from here we have to go over here, right click. Now go to open file location once again. That is going to take you to this, and from here there is something called launcher patcher. You have to right click on this, go to the show more option, go to the properties, go to compatibility. Make sure that you put a check on disable full screen optimization, put a check on to run this program as an administrator. Both should be checked, and go for apply and go for OK. Then you have to right click and run this as an administrator, and you have to check with it. If not, we have to allow the game to the Windows security. So to do so, what you need to do is we have to go over here in the search. Now we need to type here for Windows security. We have to click on this. Now from here in the Windows security, we have to add the Rockstar game launcher, the .exe to the Windows security, which will work in some cases, and I'll be demonstrating you that. Click on the virus and threat protection. Now from here, click on manage setting. Scroll it down all the way down and navigate to add or remove exclusion and go for yes. Now we need to click on add an exclusion and go to the file. Now from here, navigate to this PC, go to local disk C, go to program files, scroll it down and navigate to the Rockstar Games. Now go to the launcher. Now from here we have to scroll it down all the way down and we have to select this and we have to open and we have to add it. Once you add this, we have to close this and we have to check. That is what we have to do. Once you're done with this one, the next thing, we have to go over here, type your first settings. Then what you need to do is we have to click on the settings here. Now from here, go to the network and internet. From here, we have to go to the VPN. And if the VPN is turned on, try turning off the VPN and that will fix the issue. Now you have to close it. And also make sure there is some more thing that you need to try. That is all about we have to go over here, type on the settings. Now from here, we have to navigate to the time and language. Go to the date and time. Make sure the time zone automatically should be turned on. Time automatically should be turned on. And also the sync now should also be turned on. So you have to click on this and make sure the syncing should be completely done. Afterwards, most probably if you go back to the launcher, the issue regarding this will be completely fixed. And these are the things that you need to try, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.